This is the homework video for Wednesday, 9/23/15. It's out of your math book. This is from page 20 and it's problem number 12. If you haven't already tried to do the problem on your own, then turn off the video right now, give it a try on your own, and then when you've really given it an honest try, you can turn the video back on and check your work. Okay. The first question says, how much money does Jamal have at the start of the camp? Explain. And you can tell right here that at 0 days he had $20. That means that's how much money his parents must have given him to spend at camp. So that's what he had at the start. At 0 it was 20 in the table, so that's how much they gave him to spend on snack money. Then the second question says, how much money does he spend every day? And if you look at the table, he started with $20, and then he had $18 and $16 and $14 and so on. He was subtracting 2 from the 20 every day. So 20 minus 2 is 18, minus 2 is 16, minus 2 is 14, and so on. That means that he spent he spent $2 every day. The next question says, is the relationship between the number of days and the amount of money in Jamal's wallet a linear relationship? I said yes it is, because it decreases by a constant rate. And the next one says, assume that Jamal's spending pattern continues. Check your answer to part C, where you said that it was or was not a linear, by sketching a graph of the relationship. So, the independent variable goes on the x-axis, and Mrs. Steffen needs to label this. So this was days. And the dependent variable, the amount of money, goes on the y-axis. And he started at 0 days, so this is 1, this is 0 right here, at $20, because that's how much they gave him to spend in the very beginning. And then he spent $2, so after 1 he had 18, after 2 he had 16, and then 14, and then 12, and then 10, and then by day 6 he only had $8 left because he kept spending 2. I can see that this is most definitely linear because these points are going in a straight line. Linear means line. Make sure your x and your y-axis are labeled. And then one last question, and this one should be easy. Write an equation to represent the relationship. Explain what information the numbers and variables represent. So you need to have labels on your equation. On this one, I said you could write it either way. M equals negative 2d plus 20. Or you could write M equals 20, that's what he started with, minus 2 times the number of days. Now I have to put labels on everything. So the label for the M is, it stands for the money he has. The 20, that stands for what he had at the start, at 0 weeks. The minus 2, that's how much he spends per day. And the D, that's the number of days. Remember that in math, whenever you see a number right in front of a variable, the 2's right in front of the D, it means multiply. Okay, your homework's done. That was a 3.5-minute video. Hope you have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.